Hey guys, I know it's late, but I think somebody had some trouble yesterday with that Chick-fil-A thing. So I'm going to go over about three of those problems, and then you can finish that up. Um, and sorry I wasn't there. Not going to be there today either because I'm getting tested. So I'll let y'all know how that turns out. Maybe I can come back sooner rather than later. But anyway, the Chick-fil-A thing. Let me see if I can drag this over real quick. The intent was for you to pick one of these two assignments. It didn't matter, the 2K or the 2F. This is a Google form and it's associated to this doc, and this Google form is associated to this doc. So you just had to do one or the other. Doing both sets, fine by me. But let's just focus on the 2F, for example. I'm going to do these three problems right here and show you how to use this Google form. Okay? So I think I have it on my smart note. So let me get this out of the way. The intent was for us to make a little puzzle when you went through that Google form, but I'm not there, so we didn't get that chance. You're also supposed to reference the menu. Okay, so here's the menu. It's in a Google Doc. Okay, but I'm just going to use my smart note to show you. Anyway, so here's the entrees, different size nuggets. Okay, classic sides, premium sides, salads, kids meal. Okay, beverages, and then just a reminder. So let me click through here. Yeah, so if you did the right thing, you would get a good job on that Google form. If not, you got sent back to that question until you got it right. Now, will it be frustrating because you're going to be thinking one thing and the answer is another? Yeah, so that's why I said I'll just do these three and you just hammer through, okay? So, list of different ways that a family could order a kid's grilled nugget entree, a salad, and coleslaw. Okay, and I broke some columns up here for you. So the intent was to, revisit the tree diagram idea. So if you were to go back to the menu, okay, scroll down. Our grilled nuggets are right here. We got a 4 count and a 6 count. So those are two options there. Since we're on the menu, the salads right here, Cobb, Asian, grilled market. So we have three of those. And then when it came to the coleslaw, we had a medium and a large. Okay, so if we go back to my little workspace here, you would have the 4 count and the 6 count. Okay, salads was the, what were they, Cobb? Let me go back and look at my notes. Yeah, the Cobb, Asian, and the market. Okay, so just like a tree diagram. Coleslaw was the medium and the large. Okay, same thing for down here. I'm just going to abbreviate it. Cobb, Asian, the market salad, and then medium, large, medium large, medium large. So if you were to count these up like we did before, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 total. So if you were to go back to the Google form that associates with this, 2F, click 12, hit next, you should get a good job. And then you can hit next. Okay. So let's check this next question. How many different ways can you order one adult entree, 8 classic side, beverage, and dessert? And this is those 4 steps, like what we're doing with combinations. So, entree, classic side, beverage, and dessert. So, if we go back to the menu, count all the entrees. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think you get what I'm saying. Let me fix that. I see how they stacked it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Entree. 9, 10, 11. Scroll down a little bit. 12, 13, 14, and all this is 15. So, go back. 15. Classic sides. Classic sides. I made the mistake of counting all of these, but then it's labeled classic sides, so don't be me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then go back. 5. Remember, you're multiplying all of these. Beverages. Probably gonna hate me when I count these beverages, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's try 20. Hear me out. Let's try 20. If not, we might make some cuts. But on a hot summer day, I would love a gallon sweet tea. And then dessert. And go down to the dessert. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can ignore the toppings. 9. Get your handy dandy calculator. 15 times 5 times 20 times 9 equals 13,500. And then go back to your Google Forms. Here it is. See if we get it right. And we did. Question 3. Okay, I think I've already pulled that for discussion. If a customer comes in and wants to order one adult entree, okay, Taking notes here. Entree, we already have that number. Beverage, we've already counted the beverages. And classic side, we know these numbers. Or means to add another entree, another beverage, again, numbers we already know, but then a premium side, not classic, premium. We're going to have to go back and count this one. But we know the entree. We know it's 15. We know the beverages were 20. And we know the classic sides were 5. And these are being multiplied. We know this one, entree, beverage, and then the premium. Let's go back and count those. Premium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's just try 7. Okay? And you know what? If it's not, well, then we may have to make a cut. Maybe they just want fruit cup side salad. Okay? Chicken soup, minus the sizes. But let's try the 7 and see if we get the right answer. Nope, that's not it. 7. Get your handy dandy calculator, which is so cool, much better than your cell phone, because now you can just plug all this in as you see it, because the calculator will follow the order of operations for you. Okay, it's all in there. Enter. Can y'all see this? Can I make it bigger? There we go. 3,600. Again, the Google form, we're just supposed to try, so let's try it out. 3,600, next. Good job. Okay, so if you didn't get this figured out yesterday, go ahead and finish it. Finish the remainders. Now you know what you're supposed to be looking for. As far as today, because I'm assuming you're going to listen to this today, which is Wednesday, I have more practice for you. This should open up in Google Docs for you. And then I have little quizzes for you. Again, I'm sorry I'm not there. So I'm going to do some of these with you real quick. And I'll try to keep this video short. So let me just pull this in. And it's the lotto question. Okay? So, in fact, I'm going to just draw right over these spaces. Might make life just a little easier. The numbers 1 through 70 in the can be chosen for the upper white slots, and the numbers 1 through 25 can be chosen for the mega ball number from the lower shaded slot. This guy. So, playing the lottery. What is the maximum number of options, mega million cards? So, 1 through 70. We've learned if we start at 1 and we go to 70, there should be 70 numbers here. We had this discussion in class, and I don't know, can't remember which class. I guess we ridiculed Xander for not knowing what numbers were. Third block, since y'all be listening to the same video. Who was in your class that didn't know numbers? Well, I can't remember. Anyway, but you need to realize, just like the lottery, a number's picked, it goes away. So for this first ball, you have all 70. Once taken out, you drop down to 69. Another one's taken out, 68. Another one's taken out, 67. They don't put these balls back. They take them out. And then 66. And then again, 1 through 25. You have all 25 balls here, and that's the last one that gets picked. It's a different container. I'm not sure if y'all seen the lottery or not, how they play it. But again, you're going to multiply these. And then you'll see why it's so hard to win the lottery. So get my handy dandy calculator. 70 times 69 times 68 times 67 times 66 times 25. Holy moly. Y'all remember that number. 10. I'm just going to do 3.6 to the 10th, which means we move that decimal over 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm just going to rewrite it so you can see it. Comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. So, billion, 36 billion, 1 out of 36 billion. Hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, yeah. 36 billion. You too could be that lucky one out of that. Really. And if you look on the back of a lottery ticket, I think they show these stats, if I'm not mistaken. Chances of winning. I mean, sometimes you just get one number. I think I've gotten 3 numbers a long time ago. I think I won $5. But anyway, Dave Ramsey taught me right. No more gambling for me. Credit card numbers. This will be the last one, and then, you can work on your own. Because I was trying to make sure this video is short. Credit cards have a 16-digit number, of which the first 15 digits identify the credit card, and the 16th digit is the check digit. You can see that with this display right here. Yeah, one might say I'm teaching you how to forge credit cards. Following figure shows significant of the digits. Excuse me. Mastercard numbers begin with 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. It begins with. What's the maximum number of credit cards that Mastercard can issue? So 16 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. They're telling you the first number has to be 5. The next number can be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Then the rest can be 0 through 9. Well, I don't want to write 0 through 9 all the way, so I'll just draw 9. So, 5 is one number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 numbers. Then the rest are going to be 10. 0 through 9. Okay. Now again, all of these are being multiplied. You know what 1 times 5 is. And then it's just a matter of putting the zeros on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's see. 1,000, million, billion, trillion. Can't remember what's past that. Needless to say, it'd be hard for you to, figure out credit card numbers randomly. Excuse me. Anyway, I'm going to try to keep this video short. I'll let y'all know the results. I might text y'all or something. But you know, keep up the good work. Again, catch up if Chick-fil-A was misleading. Let me pull that back up. Yeah. So now, hopefully, that clarified the whole Chick-fil-A stuff. The Google form was a self-check, so if you got the right answer. Looks like 6 of you turned it in, so this is first block, so obviously this video is for third block too. And again, work on the combinations. I think there's only 5, 3, 4, just 4 questions, and do the best you can. You probably, if you really wanted to use paper, I think you can insert pictures. So if you want to do it on paper, use your Chromebook, take a snapshot, put it in these spaces. Totally fine with that. And then you have a quizzes here you can do. Okay? Again, it's that 5 chances stuff. Again, don't forget about the radio journal. I just was out of it today. I stayed in bed all day. Hopefully, I'll feel 10 times better tomorrow. Get my test results, and I'll put those grades in. But as always, if you got any questions or whatever, text me, email me, and I'll try to get back with you. All right. Thank you for those who are reaching out today. Y'all have a good day. Stay safe.